We've already seen these green lights in our code, right? But what does it mean? It's a comment. Comment means that Python ignore it. So if you have this special character, it's hash in front of your line, so it means Python will ignore it. So I will run it and you can see nothing was printed out. Okay, so comments you can use in two ways. The first way is that you can create your own nodes. For example, if you write a hash and write something, this is my node, okay, it will be ignored. If you run it, it's ignored as well. Okay, or the second thing, you can comment out the code. So if you write something, some code, it doesn't matter which code is it. So for example, these two lines, you will run it, of course it will print David and 100. And if you would like to comment out, so you just you can mark it, and now I click the keyboard shortcut CTRL and this key. Okay, but it can be slightly different on your keyboard. It depends which type of keyboard do you have. So you have to try it. Okay, I will use this keyboard and it will comment out. Okay, or again, and it's active again. Okay, and I can use it, this keyboard shortcut, again. Okay, it's completely up to me. So if I comment out these two lines, so I will run the code and you will see nothing is printed out. Why? Because everything is commented, so it means, or comment out, so it means Python ignore every single line in this file.